Change is hard at first, messy in the middle, and gorgeous at the end. This quote by Robin Sharma perfectly encapsulates what introducing Agile to an organization feels like. Agile transformation is not just a shift in processes, it's a cultural change, and that can be challenging. In this lecture, we will explore strategies to introduce Agile methodologies effectively, manage resistance, and look at real world examples of organizations that successfully embraced Agile to transform their workflows. In this lecture, you will understand strategies for introducing agile methodologies into organizations, learn techniques for managing resistance to change during agile transformation, gain insights from examples of successful agile transformations. Agile is a response to the fast paced and unpredictable nature of modern business. Organizations that adopt agile methodologies gain the ability to adapt quickly, deliver value faster, and stay competitive. However, moving to agile isn't as simple as announcing it. It requires a mindset shift and commitment at every level of the organization. Think of introducing agile to an organization as transforming a wild patch of land into a flourishing garden. Initially, the land might be overgrown, resistant to change, and unpredictable. You begin by clearing small areas, planting seeds, and nurturing them carefully. Over time, the garden grows as different plants, teams find their rhythm, working together in harmony. Agile transformation requires patience, attention, and continuous care, but the result is a thriving, sustainable ecosystem. Let's learn. Successfully introducing Agile starts with a well thought out plan. Here is how organizations can make the transition smoother. Leadership must lead the change for Agile transformation. Without their commitment, teams would not have the resources or support needed to succeed. Leaders should be educated on Agile principles and actively participate in planning the transformation. Agile is not something teams can guess their way through. Provide training sessions to teach the fundamentals of Agile methodologies like Scrum or Kanban. Identify early adopters within teams and empower them to act as Agile champions, helping their peers adapt to new practices. Rather than rolling out Agile across the entire organization, start small. Select a team or department to run a pilot project using Agile methodologies. This approach allows you to test processes and showcase early success to build momentum for broader adoption. Resistance is natural when introducing any new system, and Agile is no exception. Here is how to address it effectively. People resist change when they do not understand its purpose. Clearly explain why Agile is being adopted. Focus on how it benefits both the organization and its employees. Common fears include concerns about job security, changes in workload, or uncertainty about new processes. Address these concerns directly through open communication and by showing how Agile enhances rather than replaces individual contributions. Highlighting early success, such as improved team collaboration or faster project delivery, builds confidence and shows that Agile works. Share these wins widely to build excitement. Let's get started with the examples of successful Agile transformations. Spotify. Spotify's Agile transformation is one of the most well known success stories. They developed a unique framework of squads, tribes, and guides to scale Agile across the organization. This approach gave teams autonomy while maintaining alignment with the company's overall goals. ING Bank. ING Bank shifted from traditional hierarchical structure to Agile. The transformation resulted in faster decision making, increased customer satisfaction, and improved employee engagement. These examples show that Agile isn't limited to the tech industry, it can thrive in various sectors when implemented thoughtfully. Research an organization that successfully transitioned to Agile. Write a brief analysis on their approach, the challenges they faced, and the results of their transformation. Introducing Agile to an organization is a journey that starts with understanding, grows through commitment, and succeeds with collaboration. Remember, every successful transformation starts with small, deliberate steps. Let's discuss what inspired you about these transformations and how the lessons learned can be applied to other organizations. Share your thoughts in the comment section. That was all about this lecture.